So good afternoon. Today is 25th and the journal of the trade of 25th. So this is gold. I took this trade yesterday with two quantity. So this is not in regulated broker, so it was like very less quantity. I entered here. I kept my SL here. The SL reason was it was a important zone. One trade is still on and half of my position has been closed. Not half, actually, like 66% of my position has been closed, 33% is running. So here I should trail my SL because market might reverse anytime. It gave breakdown, nice breakdown. And the thing is, okay, I entered earlier because at night I won't be able to trade. So if I have entered here, suppose I have entered here, let's take an entry here, and my SL will be like this area above. Okay, let's bring this trend line. Okay, this one will be my SL area. If this crosses this one, it will take the SL of that also, and my target will be this liquidity. So this is enough, 1:1.5. So another thing is, this is a big trend line. So let me take you to 4-hour time frame. So if you see here, one touch, two touch, three touch, four touch, five touch, and then before breakdown one pattern is there, and it is about to, means don't know, market might go up, taking support, it might go up, and this was a good resistance area and also a Fibonacci area. That is the reason why I sold that one, and as well as there was a trend line, and as well as 20 EMA. See, in 4 hour there is 20 EMA, means in lesser time frame there is 200 EMA, like 60. That is the EMA. 200. No, it is not there. Let's go to 15. Kind of 200 is now, it is coming. So that was my entry, and I exited like here. So it was homo exit, but still okay, it's part of game. Kind of lucky, maybe. That's why the streak is going on, but whenever this luck's turn around, na, that time it will put it in my ass. That is the main problem. So this is Bitcoin. Bitcoin and ADA. Let's go to ADA first. ADA. Okay, let's come here. So this is Cardano. So Cardano, this was an important trend line resistance, and before that, let's go to 5 minute time frame. So in 5 minute time frame, see a, a good Fibonacci area also, from not that much bottom, from this bottom to this top. Here was 23% resistance. This area was here in short, means shorter time, shorter retracement, and also a breakout. I had a good reason, and I bought it here. Like here I bought, and market went up and it started to reverse. And in mind I have that there were 5 reasons. I said the reasons in my trade analysis video. So let make again let me tell the reasons why I took the trade. So one is Fibonacci, that is 23% area. and then there is trend line breakout, then there is pattern, then there is 20 EMA resistance, and then not resistance, support, and also there is another thing, that is not volume, market structure is there. So 5 reasons are there to take this trade in buy direction. So that was the reason. And when these 5 reasons are failing, see, it went up, it came down, but it accumulated. So I was not so sure about sorting the market here. So I exited my, see here, like many quantities there, and again I averaged my position here. So my entry point became like here. Still it went up, again it came down. No, it didn't went up, it little bit it pushed, then it started to come down. So I was seeing that it is not that much strength, means the buyers are not so powerful, but this was not nothing. So here I was seeing another thing. This is like, now I am seeing another thing. See, that time I saw this is like double top in 7-minute time frame. It is kind of double top, head, another head. So, and if I draw the trend line, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, and at 4 touch it is giving breakdown. And now I am seeing another thing, that is here. See, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. See, it was there. So I shorted it here. Few quantity I exited here. All this quantity I exited here. Again I took entry here. I exited some. Again I took entry here, and when this finally broke down, I took another entry, and it went down very with very force. Means the volume was nice and everything was nice, but see, this volume, this candle and this volume is showing that buyers got trapped. So buyers, not buyers, sellers got trapped. Liquidity grab is here, and it went up, then again it came down. And see the bullish candle, see, it went straight. So I exited few quantity here, and then this was, see, I could have cut my position here, so the SL, the loss in this trade will be minimized. And today already my quantity was very less, but still managing your risks and cutting your loss as fast as possible is the part of art in trading. It is the art of trading in, it is the art in trading, cutting your loss. So my total loss would I have cut here. Then today the day it is still showing like $0.75 loss because of brokerage, maybe not brokerage, commissions. So although my trades are right, this trade was right, this trade was partial, leave this one totally wrong. So here I saw that market is falling, even though market is falling, it is not going down. That is the main problem. And see, exited here, but okay, part of game. I could have minimized the loss to like from 70 rupees to 50 rupees. So that is the art I am learning now. And see, now this ADA is forming the main thing. See, now it is forming the main thing, the reversal thing. This is one support area, and see this one, but I will not trade. Even though this is a very good setup, I will not trade anymore. See, this is a minor head and shoulder, this is a major head and shoulder. This is one head, this is another head. Now I can see it. So target will be like 23% retest done, right? Kind of 23% retracement done. So now let's target this retracement or this order block. This here is one order block, I think so. Let me activate the smart money concept. No, here is one fair value gap that is not filled. Okay, so my entry will be like here. I will not trade. Whatever happens today, I will not trade anything more. So this one has to accumulate here, then the 20 EMA will come near, then might the market might come down. Okay, see, it is now only giving breakdown, but I will not trade. How much good setup it might be, but I will not trade. See, I have mastered that thing of not trading, but controlling my emotion, that fear of getting in means mm, if means sometimes I am having the too much greed, then I am realizing this is a mistake. That time I am getting out with small, very small profit. I am not waiting till my take profits. So even though this is a good setup, I will not trade. Whatever happens, I will not trade. So, and another thing is, one target was here, another target was like here, so my targets are justified. It didn't come, market didn't come to my position and formed equal low. See, equal low. And even though there was a change of character, a minor change of character was there, still market didn't come. Okay, it is a part of game. Mm, Market is supreme, what can I do? And then let's go to, no, XRP is not good. Let's go to BTC as well as Ethereum. Okay, so that is BTC. See, Ethereum is falling so nicely. See, I should have traded this one. See, everything is working. See, 34% sell area, and when this support area multiple touches, it invited the sellers. It went up. Those who have sold here kept their SL here, took that SLs, and then it started to come down. And this was a major trend line. What I gave trade analysis in my video, that when there is a reversal or this one will come, accumulate here, and then we can short. So if my entry is here, suppose I have entered here, my SL will be this one is breakdown candle, right? This one will be my SL area, and my target area will be, this is the main support area. So this one will be the main, means the last target, nothing more, nothing less. So almost 1:3. Okay, this one I didn't trade, but okay, it's part of game. And this is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, what I saw in Bitcoin was very nice, but because of minor mistakes in leverage adjustment and manual entry, that's why it was little bit mistake was there. Still no problem, I have captured some point. And see, my target was like here, but I exited earlier, and I said to my brother that this one will be the mm, last means last area. From there it can reverse. See, 1:5. Trap trading is the best trading, but you have to wait. See, first let's see this one. So morning I was seeing this one. See, one touch, two touch, three touch, it little bit retracement, then it started to come down, and here is the power of equal high. And this was my favorite pattern also. See, like this, if I draw also, it is little bit violating, but okay, market is not perfect. So here was one thing, and 20 MA is also there, so I could have shorted here. I didn't short, but I took the trade in ADS. So diversify your trade also. if you are seeing, means my profitable strategy, I am now understanding that if there is a same kind of structure, same kind of trade, then only it is working beautifully. So if I have shorted here, I would have exited. 23 is too much down. This is the area where I would have exited. So let's draw a horizontal line. Let's see market has came to that area or not directly on first target. Yes, market has came to this area, and from that it took reversal or retracement, not reversal, actually retracement. So another thing, see, which I shared to my brother was like this: from this top to this bottom, and the retracement area was here 50%, 50%. Here is a 50%, and if I draw the Fibonacci level from here to here, it is like 38%. So there is a Fibonacci cluster. So reasons for this trade: first, when I was wanted to enter, this was the perfect place to enter. It's not here. Here was the perfect place. Here entry is also okay, but here is the perfect place because a kind of double top is also there. So the reasons, if I would have entered, the reasons for this trade is like reversal kind of. So this was not a confirmation trade. This one was like 50% risk reward, 50% risk trade. Other ones are like 1% risk. This one would be 50% risk because I am trading against the market. Market might move like this, and then give breakout, then trap the sellers, went up, trap the buyers, then it might come down, forming a double top. But here it formed a high, low, this one a higher low or lower low. I don't know that one. I am a little bit confused with mark change of character and this thing. So power of equal high in equal low, remember this big power of equal high, equal low. So it came down. Okay, leave that one. That was another thing. That one from here to here, it will be like 50% or 68% retracement level. So let's check it once. Why not check, right? It is better to play with the market. See, 61.8%, exact 61.8% retracement area. So the reasons for this trade was, let me tell. One was Fibonacci, that here one cluster is there. It is a very strong thing. So here only 1 and 2 point I will give. 1 2, then 3 is Fibonacci done trend line. That time I didn't see the trend line. Later I saw when my brother posted that market might move up. His view was market might move up, but my view was market will go down from here, and SL will be like here. Entry here, SL will be here. But I didn't enter because I had some intuitions that this setup might not work. So I waited, and I wanted to go by seeing this bullishness and this volume. I wanted to go by long, but I still waited that this is not correct thing. Something wrong might happen. See, here is one order block. That is not the main thing, but my intuition said that it is not a good trade. And so 1 was Fibonacci, 1 and 2 was Fibonacci, 3 was like later this trade. Okay, now the trap trade reasons, means why the placing trade over here was a good reasons was, I am saying, means sell side. The 1 is 2 3 trend line is also there, and 4 there is story is also there, because see, market from low, the lower high forming, not higher high. So this is low, formed lower higher low. This one will be higher low, this one lower low, then higher low, then it came down. So and 5 is this is the main thing. This is the reason why I wanted to take this trade, because see, this is this resistance area, this one was support area, so this is a good resistance area. But what happened was market broke up, gave a breakout, this trend line trapped the sellers. Then when this red candle started to form, in my mind it was there that of course this one will be a good setup like previous I have traded. So this was kind of forming a flag pattern, so my entry I took immediately when it touched this trend support resistance line. I took my entry, kept my SL up, and every time there is a mistake in me or mistake in execution, so try reducing that, try improving yourself. So as we will improve ourselves, we will make more money, no problem. And also my that this English speaking skill will improve. How much this what I call this is called fluttering, or I don't know. I am so weak in English, but still I am from English medium, but still I am so weak in English. That's why this journal thing I am not doing for my trading only. This will improve my English also, and my build my confidence also. Even though see my webcam is not on, but I am doing a full video. See, record time 22 minutes I am talking. Okay, this is good thing. Everyone will think that I got mad, I am talking rubbish, but okay. So my brother marked this equal high, na, this equal high my brother marked, and that one was my target. My target was actually this high, this equal high, but okay, everyone changes their something little bit to make them feel superior, but okay. I booked my position right over here. No, right over here only. This is 23% retracement area from extreme low. Market was super trendy to morning, so it came down. See, I saw market from here. Today I woke up little earlier, so I saw market here. It gave breakout. It was nice move, but no FOMO, no homo. The thing is, I will enter only when I see my setup. And the here was one setup. This is breakup. This is breakup structure, right? This one is converted into support. This support area is converted into resistance area. It broke again. It touched many times. It touched. Then it crossed the 200 EMA also. But still, I didn't trade intuitions. So the reason was I entered here, I exited here. What should I have done was waited, and I should have exited partial quantity here, another half of the quantity I should exit here. So it would be a good trade, because see, another thing was I could have exited here, but I don't know, I exited here or here at this 23%, but this 23% is means there is liquidity also, but the energy need to do a breakup structure is a lot, so I exited at that region. Okay, now let's go to Ethereum. So Ethereum, I saw it here, it moved nicely, then again here see this that ADA was Cardano was the same setup was with Ethereum, that's why I took the trade. But see, Ethereum went up little bit higher than Cardano. And see here, I made this setup: one touch, two touch, three touch, four touch, five touch. So there is two possibility in the market: those who have sold here, selling at the top, and they are thinking that they will catch at the bottom, right? It is possible, but it won't work always. So it market might move like this also. Chart pattern it is forming, then it trap the sellers, or it will come down. No, it will into come in this setup, it will directly fly up to this order block. So I just waited, and this trend line breakdown was there. See, this low also broken. There could be an entry, but I didn't enter. I took entry in ADS. So always the thing is, diversify your trades also. See, $1 in this trade, $1 in that trade. So the risk is in mind will also diversify, that you are not trading one setup. So the market will think, means that is the trick to trick the mind, that my risk is diversified. Otherwise I am not habituated to take $2 loss in one crypto only. If I take $1 loss in Cardano and another $1 loss in Ethereum, that one I can take. I won't be scared because setup failed. Anything can happen in market. So okay, and then it came down this trend line. I analyzed this one. I will trade, but see, it accumulated, then it grabbed, then it is going down. But see, from this order block it is going up because of smart money concepts. People will enter here because this is breakout, it is coming, fair value gaps filled, it might retrace back. And then what else, in BNB now, in this is XRP, this is BNB. So BNB also, see here, kind of same thing formed. Okay, same thing formed but didn't trade. So diversify into two, don't diversify into three, because it will be like over diversification. So see, this is my change of character, and this is also a smart money concept area weak high. Okay, and this is premium equilibrium zone. Let's go to Dogecoin. I think I left something in Dogecoin. See, I said you know how much good setup it might form. I will not trade. See, it came up, it hit the SL. If I have entered here, it would have hit my SL. So the important of 20 EMA is there. Always remember how much far away it is from 20 EMA, because 20 EMA is like a rubber band. According to some other traders, big traders like Oliver Velez or something is there. He is a very good trader. If you are seeing my stream, you can also check his content. See the SL concept. See, you have to see all the video of all YouTubers. Don't criticize them. Nothing. Just take important things and how can you improve yourself, so you can grow in life. So I am telling, uh, another trader is there who is volume profile. Trading with something is there, so he uses the volume profile. He also said Oliver Village. So Oliver Village trades in CPR and this 20 EMA elastic band. So it is his setup that 20 EMA acts as a rubber band. And another thing is, I took the SL thing. In one video of Oliver Village, I saw that he keeps one candle SL. Always keep one candle SL, but there are some criteria you have to refine it yourself. Whatever you do, but you have to refine it, then only you can be profitable. So the thing is, this is a trend changing thing, right? And see, if you are new to my videos, it is good if you will follow. Otherwise I will later, if I become a big, not big, semi, gaining popularity, so that time I will make these videos private, because I also need to earn money, right? Everyone wants to earn money, so that time this thing only I will sell as a course, whatever people say. But this is valuable thing what I have, means I have kept my day night journey, my all energy doing one course and trying another thing. All the energy, all the effort I have kept in this thing is will these things will be always valuable. So I will sell this if I become big YouTuber. And those who are following me, for them it will be free. Means following now, if you support my channel, will make a team and we can lead together. So this is the thing. It came down. Okay. The thing is Dogecoin. So Dogecoin, see how much over trading is here. The thing is, see here I didn't trade, even though it was giving a breakdown anything, I didn't trade. And see, one candle only it came up, it took the SLs. Those who have shorted here came up, took the SLs, and then I waited. Here also I saw a setup, but I didn't trade. And see here also I saw setup. See, this is the thing why you shouldn't enter early. See, if I have not entered early entry, jumped entry, then I would have not made a loss of total, means today was 75, right? So avoiding that Cardano thing, it will be like 50. Avoiding this thing, it will be like another 30, 35, like that. So around the loss, today's loss will be like 15 rupees. So minimizing your loss is important thing. So this is the reason why you shouldn't jump into the trade earlier. Even though in gold I have jumped into the trade, but it worked as a charm. So if I have jumped into the trade, suppose I jumped into a trade here, right? Okay, here I jumped. So my, according to the SL candle SL, this is started or not started, this is all equal low, equal high, not equal high, equal lows. Here one equal low, here one equal, kind of equal low, and this one, actually this one will be the main SL point, but let's consider this as a SL point. So my SL will be like here. Okay, don't cheat. So here will be the SL, and then my target will be like this area. My target will be like this area, then only 1:2. But I waited. Again I waited, and see my SL hit, my SL was there. So see this, my SL hit was there in this candle only. Again I saw this setup. This is a trend line. Here it is touching, and in same this setup is forming in Bitcoin also. In Bitcoin it trapped the sellers and then it moved. So I took rapid entry, rapid fire. See here, 1,000 quantity sold. I sold 1,000 quantity. So in that, this is a super setup, super confirmation setup. So I should have taken a 2,000 quantity instead of 100, but okay, it's part of game. Anything, uh, I am still learning. I'm in market for 4 years still. Be a student of the market, always learn from your mistakes. So rapid entry, another rapid entry could be taken here. And see, I booked in this candle because this is liquidity grab and it can reverse from there. Not confirmed, I was not so sure, so I booked my quantity here. And see, this is fair value gap, right? This is the middle point. So attract the middle point, target the middle point. So my entry was here. Let's suppose my entry was here. Okay, and my SL was here. So my target will be like this. See, 1 is to 4.38. 38 is like brokerage because this is 24%, 0.24%. So 0.24 plus 0.10, so equal to my loss will be 0.34. So my target should be minimum 0.54, 0.54%. See, 54, this is the half area, so that should be the 50% of my quantity I should have booked here, and another 50 I should have booked here to the desired level, either 1 is to 3 or here. So okay, let's take it here. Okay, and see, 1 is to 1.88. Okay, part of game. I learned something that these things are working, that trap trading is working. And another thing, when normal condition, like you are not confirm like trading against the trend, first trend, say let's go to BTC. Okay, then I can understand until journal this thing properly. See, here is change of market structure character. So if this trend line breaks, it can be a good setup, but another thing is the thing that is not good in this setup is, see, that buyers are in control. Okay, no problem. Here sellers are also in control, no problem. But the problem is, see, this is in one side movement. So let it retrace. See, this is the order block, and here is a fair value gap. Here is the fair value gap. So here is the fair value gap. So according to smart money concept and Biki's, my brother's concept, so this is, let's go to 1 minute time frame. See, there is the fair value gap. Here is a fair value gap. So market will retrace. There will be a retracement at least from this middle line, and the SL will be this one, and the target will be, this is more than enough. If this setup comes na, I will trade this setup. If this setup comes, I will trade. Let's wait. Okay, let's end this journal now for now. So in Dogecoin, so in Dogecoin the target was hit at last. The target hit. See, target the middle portion of the fair value. Don't target the whole fair value. Instead, target the middle portion. This is the middle portion. Target that one. Don't target too much down. See, the reason is that is 5 minute fair value gap. But see here is the fair value gap, right? Here there is no candle. Before it is there, but here no candle is here inside. So this is the actual fair value gap, and here is another fair value gap. Okay, so target the middle portion of the fair value gap. That is BTC. If BTC acts like what I said, then I will trade. See, another thing, this is another setup. I said 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 3 4 touch is there, and here, see, this is manual exit. This is exit. See, here total 1000 quantity is there, so I exited some of my quantity, means that 15% I was holding, right? So I exited that quantity here. If I have not exited, then it would have exited here. So wait for your means fixed risk to reward. If this is breaking, then the thing is different, but if it is not breaking, why did you exit? Okay, another thing is, I was thinking to buy this here because This is a trend line one setup. This is a good Fibonacci. This is a good Fibonacci area also. Let's mark the reasons why I was thinking to buy this one. One is Fibonacci. This one will be a Fibonacci, and then there is trend line breakout. There was a kind of pattern breakout. There was liquidity grab also. The thing is, there is also a liquidity grab. This is a liquidity pool area, so here is the liquidity grab. But see one thing, from liquidity grab it didn't reverse like this, but it grabbed, then it went up, it came down, it is trying to go up. But if it would have went up like this, then there was a buy position, it was valid, but this is not valid. And okay, so 5 things are there, still it failed, because the reasons is the buyers are not that much interested and there is a fair value gap. So that is why my intuitions are sometimes right. So let's end this video journal. If you like the video, it is too lengthy actually. If it is too lengthy and there is a loss of interest, but if you like, please comment. We'll make a team and we'll trade together. And another thing is subscribe also. Thank you. Bye.